Morning folks, Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, and we're working on a BMW X5 today, and let's look at the seats. So this is a customer. We did his seats about 3 years ago, and not too bad actually. This is how long they last. Now this is basically just a top coat coming off again. Look, yeah, really hard wearing car this is. It's a daily car, so you sort of expect this, but we'll get this looking pretty much new again. Let's look at that. Look, so you can see a little bits there. Let's go around the other side. Beautiful day today. And you can see, look, the bolster here, look, the driver's side always takes plenty of a hammer. Again, it's only on the top, So once we've cleaned this, prepped it, filled it, and recoloured it, you won't see it. Okay, stitching's the same colour. Perfect. All right. So it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, and we'll show you after video soon. Bye for now. Hi folks, welcome back. We've finished the X5 now, and let's have a look at it. So, do you remember? It was really bad. Look at that now. Absolutely bang on, look. Every single mark has gone off it. Lovely and smooth with a nice finish. And there's the centre console as well. Here we go, let's go around the front. And on the passenger seat, that's done. And the driver's seat, if you remember, it was really bad here. Do you remember how bad it was? Look at that. Absolutely bang on. It's amazing what a recolouring finish can do, isn't it? So there we go. And all our work is all permanent. Okay, we always guarantee our work. So it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs. All the W's, mobileleatherrepairs.co.uk. And bye for now, folks.